a sentir la magia en tu voz al reír. Amiga, tan tierna, en tus ojos siempre hay claridad. Son luceros que brillan con fuerza. Quien los llegue a mirar, no puedo olvidarlos jamás. Linda María, tú eres melodía de amor. Con tu sonrisa conviertes el frío en calor.
So right now, checking the flash flood. How funny. So this is how hot it is right now. I'm gonna ride this bike for a little bit just because I feel like riding the bike. Anyways, yeah. Telling I'll ride for like, say, I'll ride for 5 miles. Hopefully this rock gamma does good now. I'm talking about. Okay. Which way should I go? Well, what I want to do is I want to go to maybe I could go to Candle Street and back. Chilling. It's 100 degrees right now. The temperature is high, but I can handle it. It doesn't feel that hot. Well, you know why? It's because I have air blowing through me, that's why. Plus, it's not much humidity. It's not that much humidity, so it doesn't feel so bad. Gotta get away from it. Just want to get away from the internet. Get away from it all. Telling. So I'm just gonna apply to some of those jobs even though I don't have my diploma. miles. Then maybe later on I'm gonna go to the gym, but I won't have to do the cardiovascular though. So yeah. Just go this way. But I'm gonna see how much I can handle this hill. Today is July 24th, 2024. Telling. Degrees still. More of my clearing up throats. I'm only gonna go as far as I can handle it. Then I'm gonna stop. Telling you. I'm gonna stop here for a little bit.
Workout paused.
That's as far as I can go. Gotta go back. Gotta take off my shirt. Because it's becoming hot. Hope nobody's gonna cross the street now. Well, I'm gonna go back home now.
Workout resumed.
Still 100 degrees. Tougher way because I'm going uphill.
1 minute 15 seconds. Total 18 minutes 57 seconds. 4.01 miles.
Telling you. Well, I can tell you one thing, man. I do have high tolerance to extreme situation like this. I have high tolerance to this because like when we have to. But this is just for fun. You know, if you thought this was hot, try working in the trailers and the come. If you thought this was hot, try working in the trailers on the distribution center in this kind of weather. I think it's even more hotter than this. Although this is 100 degrees, and this is direct sunlight apparently. It could cause me to have a pretty bad suntan. Sure. Telling ya. Tacoma. Telling you. One thing that I can tell you, one thing I could say about riding in this kind of weather or doing anything in this kind of weather, I mean, our bodies will let you know that you need to stop. I mean, the body will let me know. I mean, well, the other day I was riding in this kind of weather, and I was doing a route that's like this one, but I was climbing a big hill. Eventually, my body did tell me that I need to stop because I'm overheating, so to speak. Yeah, overheating. And so the way the body does that is that you start feeling nauseated. You start feeling like you want to throw up. That's a sign of overheating, feeling nauseated. Telling you. So anyways, still 100 degrees right now. Hi, Harris. So I'm gonna go to the school, and then I'll go back home. The house is not too far from here. Gotta have my water. Campus closed. Power outage. God dang. I'm just gonna go this side. Where Clarice is gonna go. Clarice. Yeah, Clarice is gonna go to this school right here. It's the same school that Arnold went to. But Arnold went to Chaffee College in Rancho for a little while. And then he went to this school. Boba time. It's cute. The name is cute. Boba time. Telling you, cut. Molly. Molly. This is me in the mirror right there.
Workout paused.
But in reality, there's me right here. And it's still 100 degrees. Clearly, man, so cute. Cute little head.
Workout resumed.
So that's Molly. I'm telling you. Hot hairs. Wow. Telling you.
Lap 10. 2 minutes 44
Lap 10.
seconds. Lap speed 9.1.
I'm telling you. Hot hairs. That's Molly. 6 miles. We're telling you. I'm telling you. Hot hairs. At least I got my daily exercise. Hope this camera is recording properly now, where it's not tilted either too much up or down. Hot hairs. I'm telling you. Okay, I'm done with my bike ride. Gone like 7 miles. I'll make it 7 miles. It says 6.9. I'll just go ahead and complete the 7 miles. So anyways. Okay, I'm done for the night. Okay. Done. The rock camera.
Workout paused.
So yeah, I'm done. Let's see what the degrees is still. Still. Yeah, I'm telling you. So nice. So nice. So